Today we're going to be unboxing Sonic Mania Plus, which is a improved version of Sonic Mania. Before I unbox this, like the video, comment down below, let me know your favorite Sonic game, as well as subscribe if you haven't already. Fist bump! And of course, don't forget to share this video, it really does help a lot. And now to the unboxing. Alright. Going to Target. Wow. A lot of bubble wrap in this thing. Look at this bubble wrap. It's like, woo! Bubble. Alright. And for the full reveal. Dun 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 dun. So Sonic Mania Plus has two new characters, Mighty the Armadillo and Ray the Flying Squirrel. And it does have a new Encore mode as well, so this should be interesting. It comes in this really shiny looking case. I like it a lot. Alright, gonna unbox the box. It's gotta be unboxed. Alright, so here it is without its shiny metal. Remove. Here's the box. But what is this? It's got the art of Sonic Mania. Ooh. Let's go through it a little bit. You can see it's one of the two of the new characters, Mighty and Ray. And got Sonic in his funny poses. Hard-boiled heavies. Kind of cool. There's Sonic. It's like from an old cartoon. Get rid of that plastic wrap. We don't need no plastic wrap. Here's the disc. Looking good. Alright, it's got an advertisement for Sonic Forces. And look, you can get swag, man. You can get Sonic the Hedgehog swag. So this actually features a reversible cover. Here is a wonderful new Sonic Mania Plus. Just like that back in the 90s, guys. Here's a Genesis cover like the old cases of old. It even has the new characters there. I think I might just keep it like that. Looks very, very retro. Guys, thank you so much for joining us on this wonderful adventure we call Cola Break. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for taking a cola break with me.